the most they'd give me was 8-cent feed-in tariff or 10-cent feed-in tariff or 11 cents feed-in tariff. My advice there is squeaky wheel gets the grease. Hi guys, it's Jake Warner here from the Penrith Solar Centre. I'm just reaching out to you guys. I know everybody right now is kind of in a bit of a frantic panic and really running a magnifying glass over their numbers to say, how long can I last, or how much cash am I going to have after this time's over. A really big point that I'd like to make to you guys is it's a really good time to check your feed-in tariffs on your bills. Now, we've got a 35 kilowatt system here on our factory roof, and people quite often come back to me and say, oh, Jake, the most they give me was 8-cent feed-in tariff or 10 cents feed-in tariff or 11 cents feed-in tariff. My advice there is squeaky wheel gets the grease. Do not settle for those feed-in tariffs. We were fortunate enough, I'm quite the squeaky wheel, to get a 21-cent feed-in tariff. So have a look at that. 21-cent feed-in tariff, and we're paying a little over 25 cents for our buy price. This is a really good deal for us. Now, this may not suit everybody, but I'll tell you now, it suits 98% of our customers very, very well. It's a cheap buy price, it's a very high feed-in tariff, and it's a very, very reasonable daily supply charge. My advice, pick up the phones, make these changes. We have an $1,100 credit on this bill after our last quarterly bill. Now, if we were only on a 10-cent feed-in tariff or 11-cent feed-in tariff, that credit quite literally could have been half. So my advice, don't settle for your plan. Don't sit there and be happy with it. This is the time, make the changes. We're in a tough time. Your energy provider wants to keep you. If AGL or Origin or whoever it might be don't want to offer you something better, shop around, please. Don't be content. Thanks, guys. All the best.